টেঙাখাটৰ পাহৰিজনীয়া প্ৰাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ত ছুইডেনৰ এদল পৰ্যটক ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী শিক্ষক-শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী আৰু অভিভাৱকৰ সৈতে শৈক্ষিক সাংস্কৃতিক আৰু সামাজিক পৰিৱেশৰ সম্পৰ্কে মত বিনিময় অসমীয়া বিহু চাই আপ্লুত হ'ল ছুইডেনৰ পৰ্যটক স্বেচ্ছাসেৱী সংগঠন প্ৰথম শিক্ষাৰ সৌজন্যত ভাৰতৰ লগতে অসমৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাই গ্ৰাম্যাঞ্চলৰ শৈক্ষিক সাংস্কৃতিক সামাজিক পৰিৱেশৰ লগতে প্ৰাথমিক শিক্ষা ব্যৱস্থাটো শক্তিশালী কৰা আৰু অঞ্চলটোত শৈক্ষিক দিশটোত বিকাশৰ লক্ষ্যৰে ইতিমধ্যে ছুইডেনৰ এদল পৰ্যটকে ডিব্ৰুগড় জিলাৰ বছা কেইবাখনো বিদ্যালয়ত ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী আৰু অভিভাৱকসকলৰ সৈতে মত বিনিময় কৰে
A very good feeling. I think that what especially come forward is that you have a very good atmosphere in your village of bringing people from this village and other villages together. I think that is an excellent thing. You bring people together, you bring children together. You do it in several generations. I think that is very well done. And then you do it with bringing knowledge, doing a sort of work, listening to music, dancing. So that is both studying and pleasure. And I think this is a good example how to unite people and inspire young people for bringing new knowledge to the village. Looking for their education, seeing the development we have seen just now. Very good. So my compliment for this and good luck in the future. Aim is that we are doing a social project with Pratham. And it is 10 Scandinavian companies that is operating in India. And we are doing these projects in India because we think that we would like to be. We are operating in many fields, in pharmaceuticals, in medical technology, in car industry, in logistics, and we want to be also part of the social community, and as we are operating in the country. And then I asked an Indian friend, where could we do that? In the best way, or how could we do it in the best way? And then he answered, Pratham has a very good idea for education. So that was the idea, and now we are supporting 30,000 children through Pratham to be able to improve the learning and reading. And I think this is the best way that you can do to support a country that you are working in.
News Text Report, Tingrai Sariali Live.